differential equation. A differential equation involving partial derivatives is known as partial differential equation. We have many familiar partial differential equations like Laplace equation, which we studied in complex analysis, is a famous partial differential equation which is given by dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square equals 0. The order of the partial differential equation is the order of highest order partial derivative in the given partial differential equation, and the degree of partial differential equation is the power of the highest order partial derivative occurring in the given partial differential equation. For example, when we consider one-dimensional wave equation, dou square y by dou t square equals c square into dou square y by dou x square. Here t and x are considered as independent variable and y is a function defined in terms of independent variables x and t. That is, y is the dependent variable and c is a constant. This is the well-known one-dimensional wave equation. Here the order is the order of the highest order partial derivative. Here dou square y and dou t square, dou square y and dou x square, both partial derivatives are having order equals 2. Therefore, this partial differential equation has order equals 2. We say that this is a second order partial differential equation. Similarly, when we try to find out the degree, it is the power of the highest order partial derivative. These two partial derivatives are having power 1. Therefore, the degree of this particular partial differential equation is 1. Next well-known partial differential equation is one-dimensional heat equation given by dou u by dou t equals alpha square times dou square u by dou x square. Here you can see that t and x are the independent variables and u is the dependent variable, or u is a function on independent variables t and x. Alpha square is a constant. Here, to evaluate the order, we will look to the partial derivative of highest order. Here, two partial derivatives are occurring, dou u by dou t and dou square u by dou x square, but this is having the highest order. Therefore, this partial differential equation has order equals 2. This is a second order partial differential equation. Degree is obtained by looking at the power of the highest order partial derivative. Here, dou square u by dou x square is the highest order partial derivative and the power is 1. Therefore, this partial differential equation has degree 1. The next example is two-dimensional heat equation. Here, dou u by dou t equals alpha square times dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is the equation that represents two-dimensional heat equation. You can see that the highest order partial derivative is dou square u by dou x square and dou square u by dou y square. Therefore, the order of this partial differential equation is 2 and the degree is the power of the highest order partial derivative. These two are the highest order partial derivatives and both of them have degree 1. Therefore, this partial differential equation has degree 1. The next one is the Laplace equation, and here you can see that dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is occurring in the LHS of this equation. Since both partial derivatives involved have order 2, Laplace equation is an example for second order partial differential equation, and dou square u by dou x square as well as dou square u by dou y square both have power equals 1. Therefore, the degree will be 1. These are the familiar notations in partial differential equations. When we have z as a function on independent variables x and y, we have notations p equals dou z by dou x, q equals dou z by dou y, r equals dou square z by dou x square, t equals dou square z by dou y square, and s equals dou square z by dou x dou y or dou square z by dou y dou x.